Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you doing?
I am doing well, ma'am. And what about you, ma'am?
Okay, I'm also doing well, and I wanted to talk to you because I was unable to find my time. So I'm so sorry for it. And we are connecting today, so it's my pleasure to meet with you. So, yes, ma'am, thanks for coming on my channel. So, ma'am, as we know, we are meeting very first time. So, would you like to introducing yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Rajani. I live in Mumbai.
Okay.
Mm, There are four members in my family, my husband and children. Yeah.
Okay. And okay, may I know about your profession? What do you do? Or are you a homemaker?
Yes, ma'am. I am homemaker. I used to work. Then recently I left my job. Now I am fully homemaker.
Okay, so now you are enjoying your family and you are taking care of your responsibilities. So I love to hear that. Okay. So, ma'am, only few questions I have prepared for you. So, may I ask?
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. So, firstly, I'm thrilled to know about your journey because as people are thinking that it will take only 1 month or 2 months, we can learn this language. So, do you think any language can be learned within 3 months or within 2 months only? What is your opinion? Because when you were beginner, that time you used to think same thing. So, after joining my classes, so now what do you feel? Can anyone learn this language within 1 month or 2 months?
No, ma'am. It is not possible. In my case, I started my journey 1 year before, but I not consistent. Then whenever I get 1 month, I practice. Then after that, I left. I
Okay.
thought I can't able to speak. Then I give up. Then again, I started my practice only. And at that time, only you watch YouTube videos only. And then some conversational videos.
Mhm. Okay, amazing. So you used to watch only conversational videos and little bit help you got, so that's why you are here, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes.
So what is your experience then? What is your experience about this language, English language? And previously, what you used to think? What is your experience of learning this language? And previously, what you used to think about English?
Okay. I think I can't speak English. Then after it, every day I try to practice on some means only YouTube videos. I do not speak any other application. After that,
Okay.
I joined your classes recently, two 2 months back. Then I started my speaking practice with you.
Okay,
Then
amazing.
I I can um speak little bit now. I can
Mhm.
speak.
Because once you came into my class, that time you were unable to speak even a single sentence. And here I'm not butchering myself, but it's literally credit goes to you, only you. Because do you felt some issues in your family and sometimes you took care of your responsibilities. So, yeah, amazing, super. So, ma'am, my next question is would you like to give some tips to beginner level students who think I'm not improving, I'm not learning anything, even though I'm giving my time 100%? So, what suggestion would you like to give to beginner level students who want to learn this language?
Yeah, I think it will take time to speaking because we every day we have to practice. Then it will take time to if means any language. If we want to speak any language, then mm, we have to hard work for it every day.
Ex-
Every day. We have to consistent for it. Then it's
Exactly.
1 or 2 months. Means I think lifelong process is
Yeah,
speaking.
it's a lifelong process. Yeah, amazing, ma'am. You are so right here because
Yes, ma'am.
three things it's necessary as we people know. First one, your consistency, and before consistency, your mindset. If your mindset is fixed, I have to learn something, then you can learn. Otherwise, after 2 days, after 3 days, you can leave it. Okay. So, first one, your mindset. Second one, your consistency. Because if you don't maintain the consistency, then you cannot learn this language. Because as you were saying, it's a lifelong process. And third one, your burning desire. If you think I have to achieve it, then you can achieve it. Because I want to go in my past for a moment. Previously, I used to make my video with zero confidence and with zero level of my English. So, but I never gave up. So now I'm here in front of you. I'm helping the people. So yeah, three things are mandatory. Right.
Yeah. Yeah, sure.
So ma'am, my next question is only two activities. Which do you want to give to my beginner level students? Like there are four types of activities: speaking, listening, reading, and writing. So, which two activities are mandatory for beginner level students?
Yeah. Speaking is very important in a, if we want to speaking, then definitely we want to practice with others, yeah, co-learners. Then second thing is listening. I think listening is also very important.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, right, ma'am. Because I'm not bibliophile, so I don't love reading. And some people might be having some issues while reading something. So, in your case, in my case, so I love speaking and listening only. I don't, I don't read anything. I don't write anything. So, two activities are mandatory that you cannot skip longer and longer, right?
Yeah.
Hmm. So, ma'am, my last question is I want to know about your journey. Which type of hurdles did you face? And by facing those hurdles, how did you came towards your English journey?
Okay. I started my practice actually 1 year before. Then I 1 month I practiced. After that I left. Then I thought I can't able to speak. Then for 5 months I left leave my practice. Then again I started my speaking practice. Then after 1 2 months, then again I left my practice. Then I thought never I can't speak. Then after that 2 3 months back I again my speaking practice. Now I can speak.
Okay, yes, superb. So, could you please share any story that moment you felt I have to learn this language by hook or by crook? Any story?
One day I went to school with my son. Then
Okay.
that was English medium school. Then every teacher speaks English only. Then they asked about some question with my about my son.
Hmm.
And I couldn't speak English with teacher. Then I thought at that time I think I want to learn English. After that I came home. Then I started my speaking practice and listening practice. Then till I started my speaking practice. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
Yeah.
all.
So that moment felt you, I have to learn this language by hook or by crook. So literally, ma'am, I salute your words and your behavior because only one thing we can wear. We cannot judge by our personality. We can judge by our confidence. So for English, first one is your confidence. You have to wear all day long. By wearing this confidence, you can speak English very fluently. No matters how many mistakes you are making, but never give up. As people say, never give up. Because I'm the example in front of you, and many of YouTubers, they are example in front of anyone who are speaking very well and who are teaching someone, who are helping someone. So yeah, amazing. So any question, ma'am? Do you want to ask to me?
No, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So it was a wonderful conversation, and we will meet very soon in future. Whenever you feel free, just drop a message, and I will be able to speak with you. So yeah, ma'am. Okay. Have a great day. Take care.